Every step we take today leaves a footprint on tomorrow. The way we treat our air, water, and food, the fuel we use, the waste we create, each of us can have an impact. 6 months ago, Hyundai Motor Company and the United Nations Development Program launched For Tomorrow, a platform where anyone can share their solutions for our sustainable future. This is about some of the people who have shared their stories on the platform. It's about the challenges they face, their solutions, and how they improve life in their communities and beyond. Our story begins in Nigeria. Life in small Nigerian villages can come to a standstill with sunset. Angela has found an answer by teaching communities how to build and maintain their own solar-powered streetlights. She has helped many villages take back the night.
In the community, you are trying to solve two problems. One, reducing the effects of global warming by reducing the use of fossil fuel, also solving the problem of high level of insecurity. As a woman in my community, it's really a challenge, but I'm very, very proud of what I'm doing.
Kathmandu is struggling with air pollution from severe traffic. Safa Tempo electric buses, traditionally driven by women, help address the problem. But getting bank loans is impossible for these female micro-entrepreneurs. They have to use inferior batteries that need to be replaced more often. This leads to higher long-term cost and more waste. Sonika and her partner Tiffany have created a micro-loan system to help them reinvest in their buses.
We are really empowering women to have control over their finance and as well as tackle this air pollution problem, basically making the whole country climate resilient.
Far from the Arctic on the Welsh coast, Keane and his team hope to help people threatened by the melting sea ice while fighting a problem with globe-spanning consequences. Their wind-powered real ice machine will pump water from damaged ice sheets and spread it to patch gaps in the sea ice.
We came together to collaborate on this project because we believe in the solution itself and the value that it can offer. The world needs to change, and we are hoping to be part of that change.
From one side of the planet to the other, people are meeting challenges with resourcefulness, imagination, and conviction. Hyundai Motor Company and the United Nations Development Program have partnered to extend the reach of people working to create a better world. For Tomorrow is dedicated to growing a community that welcomes anyone who wants to share, support, or educate themselves about sustainability solutions. Share your own solution. Take part in building the future we all want to live in.
We won't wait for tomorrow.
Join the movement.
Check out fortomorrow.org
and meet the ideas for a better future.
Act today for tomorrow.